What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Josh, back with Local Outlaws, Automotive Concierge and Tow Service. We're doing, hold on, trying to merge on the freeway. Shouldn't be vlogging and merging, but you know, anyway, we're here. Let me turn this radio off too before I get demonetized. But we're doing a run for my boy Ryan. We got us a FoxBody Mustang on the back, so we're taking it to undisclosed location, aka my uncle's house, to go ahead and get this thing rebuilt and put back together the right way. He bought a Mustang from another homeboy, and it was like two cars merged into one, and it just wasn't done right. So we're gonna take it to Unc's house and get that going, and then we're gonna pick up our Civic that we've been working on in the background, and as a little daily beater, and we're gonna get that back over here too. So I'll show you guys the setup here in a minute, but we just got on the road because we got a late one after work, but you know, we're gonna make it happen. So stay tuned, we got more to come. The only bad thing about transporting is traffic. Can't get away from it, but we're gonna get there. We only left 10 minutes ago, and we've only went 5 miles. So as soon as we got on the freeway, traffic just stopped, but we gonna get there.
Okay, we just made it to the drop-off spot. Picked up this Mustang in Pasadena. Now we're at Haley Brothers' secret garage for getting it fixed. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but
Everything.
We're here in Lancaster.
All right, we unloaded. These are all Uncle David's projects he got going on. Got Thunderbird and some other stuff. I think doing a motor swap on this BMW, you know. But we making it work, you know. This is the shop. This is where I help work on cars in this shop. You got an LS back there. You got a little LS. So anyway, we're gonna get this off, leave Uncle David's junkyard alone. This is the speed shop today. 3, 2, 1, action. I'm tired. Oh yeah. I was hoping that they this tilted down too, because some cars are too low, but I could just get to the wheel. This guy should be loose and going up.
Bigfoot.
Now I can't see. You got your foot on the brake? Yeah. Oh, you can let your foot off. I'm gonna let the winch roll it out. Yeah.
Okay, folks, we're picking up a Honda. What kind of car is it?
Honda Civic.
Honda Civic, and it's for sale. Well, after you put some new tires on it. And we're taking it back to Altadena.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Is that good or should I come forward?
Come forward. Anything gonna be flying out?
No, I don't think so.
Big man, little car.
Man, little car.
Whew.
Look at my butt crack.
Oh no. Play some music on this one. Say ta-da!
Like a leader. Ta-da! So we all done. So we got the Mustang dropped off at my uncle's house. Just picked up my Civic. So we're gonna have a daily driver here in about 3 or 4 days, and we're gonna head back to Pasadena. So I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm tired. It's 10:30, and I'm about to leave Palmdale and head back to Pasadena. So I'll see y'all on the next one.
That is so cute. All right, y'all, so we got the Subaru all loaded up. So now we're about to take it on to our next destination. So these things are pretty cool. 4-wheel drive, little Sambar. Oh, this strap's a little loose. We'll tighten that one down in a second. But 4-wheel drive Sambar, and you know, they got a cool story behind it. They're doing a rolling garden. So pretty cool. But let me lock this thing down and then we're gonna get on the road.